Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Sorkar jela kalapha ya Jingmut shaka Sorkar Pdeng bahkan Thied no ya Jaka baban iPad shakin Shnong namar baki don Shnong hapo jela kibahap Shabar Jingker Sainar andala sedang ya Jingker Sainar jingjingai ka shispa sanphoyan na umoput habakran chikilap thai kubor ubat tensong ulai thuru ba Sorkar kalapha pesangi shwa shipor ya Jingker Sainar hadim bakila don katuk ani Shnong kibasyak ta na Jingker Sainar barkiban hap shaka no man's land andala ker Sainar hakapur jela Meghalaya batkari Bangladesh.
See, border fencing again, we have challenges. What happened is there are portion of our, Indian territory. If we take 150 yards, what happened is within that 150 yards, the village is there with beyond the below the 150 yards. It may happen only 50, 60 from the from the villa. Okay, so there are places even in Peninsula area where we have like that. So now from the government we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then I convened personally a meeting also with DSF, with the NBCC here, and I impressed upon them that we are not at all against the fencing. We really need fencing, but the issue is if we follow that international norms and guidelines, 150 yards, meaning a village will be well outside the fencing. Then what will happen? If it is well outside the fencing, means it becomes more or less like a no man's land. So now that is the concern, and we have flagged off these issues to the government of India, and we have told them also, in case if 150 yards cannot be compromised, why not you acquire the entire area, acquire outright purchase of the land so that the villagers or the farmers can shift from there to other places. So that is generally situation.
Any communication?
Not yet. We are yet, but in such places, as I said to you, even from the state government, we said please stop, don't go ahead with your fencing.
So, any progress on the second phase interstate boundary talks? Any joint visit?
No, not yet. We will, because now again the flood happens days after. So we will maybe very soon, once the monsoon is over, maybe we'll be able to again restart the joint inspection.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam Pdeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe katham artali ki jala hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba arphautli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate ka than kum ka Jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka yapher dena kata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kisdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan